A global company would have more resources. They can go on TV, they can make their ads there, right? But these people who are small businesses, small companies, located in a particular geographic area, they don't have that much resources to put their ads on TV, right? So that is why now when these platforms came, they put the big and small both businesses on the equal footing. So if you have creativity, if you have the knowledge which you are acquiring right now, if you have a little bit of experience and start creating your own accounts and practicing those, then definitely you are at equal footing with very large business houses. And I have seen that there are persons, one individual who has attained more followers than a multinational company. That is what equal footing means.
As I always say, that as a marketer, as a digital marketer, we are integrating the same old traditional marketing now into the various social media platforms. Same old marketing principles, product, price, promotion, and physical distribution, which has now become placement. Four factors of marketing are being adapted now, and our adaptation is that we have now to use the same marketing factors, the same marketing mix, product, price, placement, and promotion, uh, now through social media. After all, why social media? We talked little bit about it earlier also, that the marketer goes wherever the people are. So what marketer's job is? Marketer's job is to promote the products and services and ideas sometimes also. And marketer always goes where people are. I mean, so marketer goes where the people are, where they meet, where they share ideas, where they congregate, right? So this is a marketer's strategy to talk about your products and services. And that is why these platforms now have made some plans, policies, and guides just to deal with business people, just to deal with businesses, I should say. So not just person, not just a personal profile we can set, we can also use business name. Large and small companies are on equal footing. What does that mean? I mean, any close ideas? When exactly, I mean, in the age of television marketing, TV we call it, in TV ads, only big players can play the game of marketing. Large companies have what I can call upper edge, right? Because television ad takes money to create, and then television ad takes money to run it on air. You need to pay thousands of dollars and sometimes even millions of dollars if it is a football season or something like that. This is a game which only big players can play. What about those small businesses, right? In Canada, the situation is this, that over 95% of businesses are small and medium enterprises. How everybody does not have a marketing budget which runs into tens of thousands. That is why, this is the reason the platforms like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, they have given companies an equal footing. I mean, even small companies, even medium companies, they have equal chance of making appearance in the market. Because if you know, I tried these things for a few businesses. It can cost as less as 1 cent per view, 1 cent per view of maybe your video. Definitely, that is like sometimes you have to kind of do a lot of research to minimize the cost. I mean, you can have a good $100 budget. With $100, your video can have 10,000 views. And you want to do your kind of video campaign. And I have tried setting some of those campaigns. And with the $100 budget, your advertisement on a video, which can be a 2-3 minute advertisement, can run for 10,000 people. So naturally, this is putting you in on equal footing with large businesses. You don't need to have thousands of dollars of budget or tens of thousands of dollars of budget. If you kind of use marketer, somebody hiring somebody from outside, that person may be like even costing you maybe 25 cents per view. I mean, it is upon your research, how you research to minimize your cost for advertising on social media.